In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable @all mentions for WhatsApp group admins. Let's get started. The good news is that you don't actually need to turn this feature on manually. According to WhatsApp latest update, the @all mention is built directly into the app and is automatically available based on your group size and your role within the group. There is no setting or switch to enable or disable it. All you have to do is launch the group chat and type in the symbol @, then select all. This works if your WhatsApp group has 32 or fewer members. Anyone in the chat can easily enable this feature. That means both group admins and regular members can type @, select @all and send a message that notifies everyone in the chat. There is nothing you need to configure. The feature works as soon as it's available in your version of WhatsApp. For larger groups with more than 32 members, WhatsApp automatically changes the permission settings. In these groups, only group admins are allowed to use the @all mention to notify every participant. If you are a regular member in large group, the @all option may not appear, or using it won't send a notification to the entire group. This restriction is managed automatically by WhatsApp to help reduce unnecessary notifications in larger communities. If you don't see the @all feature yet, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.